It's the first snowfall, guys. It's the first snowfall. Look at it. Good, Bear. Go play. Go hop around in the snow. What's the matter, Grover? You had enough? Where's your friend Bear? Bear. You look like a snowman, Bear. Come on, Bear. What are you doing? Why'd you freeze? Oh, I forgot. You're probably making number 2. Come on, Bear. Come on. I can't even see you. Come on. Come on, Bear. Oh, God. You guys are covered in ice and snow. Grover, my God. Don't you go enough? Jeez Louise. You guys are having fun? Look at the winter wonderland. Look at that winter wonderland. Why are we fighting, huh? Oh, you're going to show off again, huh? You're going to mark your territory. I know that. And don't think you're going to come jumping into my blanket right now. What are you doing, Bear? Go get it. Go get the snow. Go get the snow. Go ahead. Go get it. Go get the snow. Go get it. Poor Bear. You're covered in ice. Look at that. Winter wonderland. Here in New York. Look at that. Let's check it out. Look at all that snow. I can't go metal detecting anymore. No, that's off the docket. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. Right, Bear? At least, oh, this one's going again. What are you doing? Poor Bear. You want to come in, Bear? What's the matter? That one over there, look at him. Look at him. That's the boss. That's Grover. Don't pee on your brother. I see you posturing. What the heck are you doing? Oh, don't eat the snow. My mother always told me, don't eat the snow. And there's a reason for that. That's the reason, right there. We got ferocious, ferocious lions in the yard. These are Chinese dogs. They're food dogs. Actually, half Shih Tzu. We have a half Shih Tzu over here, half Poodle, and a half Lhasa Apso and Poodle. These are Chinese lion dogs or temple dogs, and they live here in New York. It's a very, very rare sighting. Very rare to see that. Oh, okay. I can't even see his face anymore. All right. Now they're going to jump into my bed. I know that. Oh, God, he's going again, this one. Now they're going to jump and climb into my nice warm blanket and get ice all over it. Ice cubes and chunks of snow and all that other jazz. Check this out. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful snow right here in Long Island, New York. And the boys are playing, again, the Chinese food dogs or temple dogs or lions. And, oh, God, I think we have a dookie in the snow. Yes. No, don't eat it. Oh. Okay, Bear, what are you doing? Bear, what are you doing? All right, it's time to come in. We have a little present in the snow over there. I could see that. I can't even see his eyes. Come on, bear. Come inside. And they won't come back. Look at that. Why not? Why would they come back? Look at this beauty out here. Right? Right in nature. Look at that. We have power lines. Yeah. High tension power lines, that is. And snow. And our Chinese lion food dogs. You want to come in, Grover? You want to come in? Why don't you clean your beard in that snow? And this one is just standing there and eating it. Look at him. He's digging. He's digging for gold. That's a doggy metal detecting. There we go. What are you guys doing? Oh my goodness. Oh boy, these guys. You just make me laugh. And this one's, I don't know where he's going. Come on, bear. Bear, I can't see your face. Bear, come on. Oh, they're not coming back in anytime soon because they're enjoying this. A winter wonderland. So long. Say goodbye, bear.